Okay, so here we are logged in to a digital customer service portal. We are looking for help with our grocery business license application. So if I type in grocery license, if I search for this term, in this case, it finds that there is an OPA wizard for this. So this is embedded within our DCS portal. We can see that the default is for our grocery store. We're able to progress through. So it's a sole partnership. Okay, and we then get a series of questions driven by OPA that allow us to decide on what legislation applies to us, what help and guidance is needed. So if we just select through these, we then get to the end, and then we have a number of different wizards then that are a number of links that allow us to find more information on our particular application. Okay, so now we'll take a look at the design time environment for the rules. So OPA is driven by Oracle policy modeling. So this gives the definition of the interview that we see here. So you can see that these the screen definition here corresponds to what we saw previously embedded inside DCS. So the OPA interview, nothing special needs to be happened for it to be embedded in DCS. It's just a different way of embedding using the CCA component. The screens are defined as we saw there, and the rules are made up of Word documents, authored in Word documents, which then give us the logic that drives the actual interview. Okay, so now we're going to take a little look at the Visual Builder Cloud Service backend that is provided in this portal. So OPA is provided as a CCA component, so we can install the component from the catalog, and then basically all we need to do to include the component on our page is click and drag into the appropriate position here, and then if we give it the business license wizard, then we get another instance of the component here. So yep, so we just move off this to refresh. Okay, and then we can see here, if we just clear a little bit more of the space, we can see that we've now got two instances of the component on the page, and we can run an interview. OPA embeds very easily, so these deployment names can be passed as variables or as a string in this case. We've also got a number of other variables that are used if this is being used in collaboration with Engagement Cloud, so we can pass through a security context to Engagement Cloud.